Binding is very easy to make. You take a strip of linen and a glass slick, which was in use since the Roman times, and even Viking archaeology shows that these were in use here in Ireland. It's kind of like an iron. You can use it to flatten or smooth linen, but what it's exceptionally good for is putting creases into linen. So I'll fold this strip of linen in half, and first of all I'll put in a center crease. So you can see how sharp of a crease that's already created just by a little bit of pressing. Then I will fold that in half, that raw edge to the inside. Again, I will press down on that edge, creating a good sharp edge. Fold in the other half, the other raw edge, press that down, and then when all is done, give a good final press to the whole thing. And then that is suitable for placing on the raw edge, which this has already been bound, but imagine that this was a raw edge of linen. You would then place it on it and stitch it down on both sides, just as you see here. It's stitched inside and out, and now that raw edge is protected by 4 layers of linen, so when it's scrubbed and washed, it is perfectly protected and will not disintegrate in the wash through heavy scrubbing.